Welcome back. Today is Class 13, and we're learning the Shape tool, the most powerful basic tool in Adobe Illustrator. You'll find the Shape tool inside the rectangle icon on the left toolbar. Just click and hold, and boom, all shapes appear. Rectangle, ellipse, polygon, star, everything you need to build your designs.
To draw a shape, simply click and drag, and if you want a perfect square or perfect circle, just hold Shift.
To draw the shape from the center, hold Alt, and for a perfect center-based shape, press Shift and Alt together. If you want an exact size, just single-click on the artboard and type in your width and height. This is super helpful for logo design. Star tools, you can use your arrow keys to increase or decrease sides. And if you want sharper or softer spikes in the star, just hold Control while dragging.